I am Nafiz Kiani. You watching my YouTube channel today. I tell you features and specification of Samsung LED series Bu8000. Let's start the topic. Now I discuss specification of Samsung LED. First, we discuss what specifications are given in it by the company, and we will discuss what features it has. Let's start. 1. ID has a resolution of 3840x160. Connectivity options are 3 and 2 USB ports. If I talk about its product type, this product type is LED. If I talk about his series, then it is 8 series. And if I talk about his hertz, how many hertz is it? It is giving this LED, so it is at 50 hertz. Now we will talk about its picture quality and what functions the company is providing in it. If I talk about the picture engine, this company is giving crystal processor for 1000 and the colors inside it are 1 billion colors. And talking about PQI, which is an abbreviation of Picture Quality Index, it is giving 2200. In this TV, HDR, HDR10 and IDR10 Plus all three functions are available. HLG is available, contrast is available, mega contrast is inside, color is dynamic crystal color, brightness deduction is also available, micro dimming is also available. Also available is contrast enhancer is also available. Auto Motion Plus is also available. In this TV screen, the company is also giving movie mode availability to the app. Apart from that, Motion Accelerator LED Clear Motion Noise Reduction Movie Maker mode is what the company is providing you in this LED TV. Now let's talk about its audio. In its audio, Dolby Digital Plus is also available. Adaptive sound is also provided by the company. It has an object tracking system called OTS is also available, and the sound output is 20 watts. It has 2 channels, 2 speakers, one on the left side and one on the right side, and Bluetooth audio is available inside. Dual audio support, Bluetooth available. Now let's talk about its smart service. This is a smart TV and the operating system in it is Tizen. It also supports the language supported by the box is as English, UK English, Indian English, Korean language, French, German, Italian. Spain Spanish is this language. This box is it also supported web. Browser is available in it. Does it support smart things? Is available. Media Home is also available in it. Now let's talk about its smart features. The first function in Smart Thing is mobile to TV mirroring. It also has tab view, easy setup, app casting, Bluetooth to low energy system. It also supports Wi-Fi direct. TV sound to mobile is also available in it. Sound mirroring is also available in it. Wireless DeX is also available in it. Web services of Micro 365 is also available in it. For those who play games, the company has also provided a great function. Auto game mode is also available in it, and HGIG is also available in it. If you want to play games, it is a good TV for gaming. You can play games in it. Now let's talk about its connectivity in detail. USB supports 2, HDMI supports the 3, internet line is also available. And it also has digital audio output, EARC, HDMI 2 is available, HDMI quick switch is also available, return channel support is also available, IDM has a built-in Wi-Fi connection. Bluetooth support with 5.2. Now let's talk about the accessories with it. One will have a remote with it, and a Samsung Smart Control, a slim feed ball mount with it, and a mini wall mount support with it, and a user manual with it, a power cable. There will be any manual. Now I explain features of Samsung LED in details. Top for features. 1. Dynamic crystal color. A different level of UHD with advanced phosphor technology. Immerse yourself in the picture with 1 billion shades of color. Dynamic crystal color delivers lifelike variations so you can see every subtlety. 2. Sleek and slim, more than ever. Air Slim. The mind-blowing slim profile of your TV blends seamlessly into the wall like you've never seen before. 3. Feel every shade of color as intended in powerful 4K crystal processor 4K. Feel every shade of color as intended. Powerful 4000 upscaling ensures you get up to 4000 resolution for the content you love. Viewing experience may vary according to types of content and format. Upscaling may not apply to PC connection and game mode. 4. Discover your favorite contents in one place. Smart Hub. Samsung's new Smart Hub puts content curation and discovery front and center, so you spend less time searching and more time streaming movies, shows, and other contents you enjoy. Content services and recommendation may vary by regions and models. Agreement of the Smart Hub terms and conditions and privacy policy is required before use. Now we will talk about its picture quality. Enhanced sense of depth and color. Contrast enhancer. Contrast enhancer ensures that every image appears more natural and is incredibly detailed. This innovative picture technology analyzes regions of each image and dynamically adjusts the contrast, resulting in an enhanced sense of depth and color. See dark and light in every scene. HDR. High dynamic range increases the range of light levels on your TV so you can enjoy an enormous spectrum of colors and all the visual details in even the darkest scenes. Now we will talk about its gaming features. Smooth motion for a clear picture. Motion accelerator. Experience clear picture and performance because it automatically estimates and compensates frames for the source of contents. Instantly reacts to your commands. Auto low latency modem. Experience smooth gaming in its most impressive form without motion blur and judder. Auto low latency modem optimizes your screen so you have more control with barely noticeable input lag. Low input lag is measured based on internal testing conditions and it is subject to change according to game setting or the source device. Now we will talk about its sound quality. Virtual sound that tracks the action. Object Tracking Sound Lite OTS Lite, a 3D surround sound with our virtual top channel audio will fully immerse you in the audio experience. TV and soundbar orchestrated in perfect harmony. Q Symphony. Surround yourself with sound from TV and soundbar orchestrated in harmony. Q Symphony uniquely allows TV and soundbar speakers to operate simultaneously for better surround effect without muting TV speakers. Q Symphony is available only with compatible soundbar. Check for Q Symphony compatibility on soundbar product specifications. Sound fine-tuned to your content. Adaptive Sound has audio scenic intelligence that optimizes sound based on real-time scene analysis by content type. Easier control, greener future. Solar Remote. Say goodbye to disposable batteries with the eco-friendly Solar Remote that's equipped with a solar panel on the back. The built-in microphone also facilitates the voice assistant function, so it's innovative in more ways than one. To charge the remote with solar energy, set the TV remote down with the solar panel facing up. Place it in your living room while your lights are turned on, or you can place it near a window where it will soak in natural sunlight. Height that fits your space. Adjustable stand. Adjust height and space in between your TV stand however you want without space constraint. It is also just the right stand to perfectly fit your soundbar. Your best home butler. Smarthings. Let Smarthings intuitively control your home by detecting, connecting and controlling your smart devices around your TV. The built-in hub allows you to enjoy enhanced connectivity without additional devices. You can also answer the door even as you're watching TV. Available technology, functions and features may vary by country, service provider, network environment or product. They are subject to change without notice, requires Wi-Fi, Bluetooth or other wireless network connection and devices registered to the Smarthings app. Connected devices are sold separately. A separate Smarthings dongle is required to connect to Zigbee devices. Connection to Z-Wave device is not supported. Make video calls on the big screen. Video call application. Seamlessly connect with your loved ones on the bigger screen with Google Duo. Use the Samsung Slim Fit Cam or your own smartphone camera to make video calls a lot easily. Additional compatible Samsung Slim Fit Cam, compatible Logitech webcam or mobile camera required, sold separately. Work and learn from home. Workspace. Easily access your PC, laptop, and mobile seamlessly on your TV. Compatible with certain PC and mobile devices, easy connection application is available on PCs running the Windows 10 OS. Samsung DeX is supported on selected Galaxy, Note, and Tab devices. Most functions of Workspace can be used by connecting the keyboard and mouse to the TV. An infinite pool of streaming content applications. There's a whole world of entertainment at your fingertips. Enjoy favorites like Netflix, Disney Plus, and Apple TV Plus, but also discover new apps in areas like sports, gaming, education, and lifestyle. Subscription may be required. Let me know how you liked my video in the comments section below. If you like my topic, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so that the new updates can reach you. See you in the next video with a new topic. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching.